Hey guys, Daniel Jeffries here with another video for you. This time it's going to be a quick update on not only my Destiny timeline drawing, but also as how things are going on the channel overall. Specifically, how I'm going to start changing some things up to hopefully get some more videos out more often. I want to increase the quantity of my videos without taking away from the quality. So, what I'm doing is I'm working on multiple projects at once for a limited amount of time on each project before I move on to the next. And the way that that's working is I have projects A through D currently, and I'll work on project A for about 2 hours, and then I'll work on a project B for about 2 hours, and then that's typically as much as I can get done in one day because this isn't my day job, not currently, so I have limited time that I'm able to work on it. But then the next day, I'll come in and I will start working on Project C and Project D, and I'm alternating that over the course of the days. That way, as I'm finishing one project, I'm not as far behind on the next project, if that makes any sense. Now, what I'm hoping this will do is not only increase my workflow, but also hopefully be able to produce at least a video every other week. It'd be nice if I could get it to happen sooner, but it will be quicker than it has been, in which case I've only been doing about one video per month. Now, in regards for my Destiny timeline drawing that you're seeing here on the screen, you'll notice that I already had some colors laid down, and that's because I started coloring it before my computer that I'm working on was fixed, and at the time I couldn't record the screen as I was working. So that's why it's starting out a little bit late into the coloring process. It's currently still in the works. I'm going to be currently actually I'm working on the line art for the second page, which, if you're not familiar with this drawing, it's going to be the entire timeline of Destiny as you, the player, is able to play it. And it's going to go from one page to the next, and I'm gonna have overlaps, so that's why the far right side has some blank space, because it's going to bleed into the next page. As for my other projects that I've been working on, the projects A, B, and C, those are an assortment of creative characters, which, if you follow my channel, you know are original concept characters that I create based off of random words, and environments. I'm trying to not only take advantage of the fact that I can record my screen as I work now, so it's all digital, but also try to build up my portfolio so that eventually I could do this as a day job. But yeah, for now, thank you for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed how this Destiny drawing is going so far. It's not done, obviously, as I said, and but I figured you guys would probably like the way that it's going and would want to see at least how my coloring process works. And yeah, if you're new, be sure to check out some of my other videos, and I would love to hear from you guys in the comments section. For my creative character videos, I take suggested words, so feel free to go to one of those videos, check them out, and maybe make some suggestions. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.